Let's learn a language by speaking. The more apps you know, the better you can combine them to learn a language. So stay tuned and know all about learna.ai. I've tested for you. You can now check out the results. Let's see what's good about it and what's not so good about it at the end, and let's see how it works. Let's practice, let's learn. This is a new app. After you download it, let's open it. Link will be in description, no worries, as always. Let's go. You have your private tutor. Let's see how this goes. Press call. Press continue. Press continue. Okay, I don't want to pay, so just close this. Let's just write my name. Tag for you. Okay, which is your native language? I'll say Portuguese, which is true. Let's talk about my interests. Okay, which is my level of English? I don't want to study English. I thought we had other options, but this one is probably just for English. Let's say it's just for career. I want to do it like 10 minutes a day. And then you choose the time, so it could be like, this is too early. For me, I'll just choose, oh my god, 10:30, fine. Okay, I don't want notifications. If you want them, you can create them. It says it's going to optimize the topics and prepare the interactive dialogues. Let's see. Get my plan. I don't want to pay, so continue with Google. All right, now we have our interface. You have
Hi there. How's your day going so far?
Hi.
Great to see you. Today, we're going to talk about using the present simple to describe customs. The present simple is used for things that happen regularly or are always true. For example, people in Spain eat dinner late. Do you have any questions about that?
No, I understand it. Go on.
Awesome. Let's try a simple exercise. Put the words in the correct order. In tea, drink, the morning, they. Give it a try.
In the morning they drink tea.
P. Perfect. That's exactly right. Now, let's fill in the blank. In Japan, people sushi often. What do you think fits in the blank?
Eat.
Yes, that's correct. In Japan, people eat sushi often. Now, can you make your own sentence using the present simple to describe a custom in your country?
Yes. In Portugal, we like to eat codfish.
Great sentence. In Portugal, we like to eat codfish. Well done. Let's try one more. Is there a custom about what people do on weekends in your country?
If it's summer, people go to the beach.
That's a nice custom. If it's summer, people go to the beach. You've done a great job with the present simple. Let's move on to the speaking practice in the next session. Are you ready?
Yes, let's go.
Let's practice what we've learned through a role. Play session. Play session. Play session. Play session.
Let's go.
Wonderful. Let's begin. Can you tell me about a festival in your country? What customs or rituals do people follow during this festival?
So it's a music festival. We have a lot of bands and a lot of young people go to these beautiful places, and you have nature and singers and bands, and people enjoy their time.
That sounds like a lot of fun. Music festivals are a great way to enjoy culture and nature together. Do people have any special customs or rituals they follow during this festival, like wearing certain clothes or doing specific activities?
They dance, they swim in the river, they sunbathe.
That sounds like a wonderful way to enjoy the festival. Dancing, swimming, and sunbathing all sound like great activities. Do people usually go with family or friends, or is it more of a solo experience?
With friends, it's great fun like that.
It definitely sounds like a lot of fun with friends. Sharing these experiences makes the festival even more special. Do you have a favorite part of the festival?
No, it depends on the band.
That makes sense. The music can really set the mood for the festival. It sounds like you have a great time enjoying the different bands and activities. You've done a great job using the present simple to describe the customs and activities at the festival. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve. Are you ready to move on to the next topic?
Yes. What do I think about this app? It was very fast. It spoke very quickly. The natural conversation you can practice. The natural conversation you can practice. It sort of moves a little bit. It's not just so static. What's not so nice? It's very limited. You just have the 10 minutes. But then again, it's free. So can we complain? No. Again, if you want to learn a language, really learn it, you need to practice it with several apps. And for that, I have an amazing playlist for you. Go and check it out. It's free and you have amazing tools. When you combine them, then you learn a lot and you have more than 10 minutes because most of them are free for 10 minutes. And if you combine them, you have a lot of minutes per day and you will actually learn the language. Do check out the playlist. If you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you in your projects. Thanks so much for being here on my journey. Bye bye for now.